Everybody MP, slave, Bunting, slave, Nathan, slave, Julian, slave, Mark, slave, Peter Philip, slave, Angela, slave, Ian, slave.
Well, going up all this was today video is going to be on dancehall artist VYBZ KARTEL as well as DJ Chris Diamonds. But we're starting off with VYBZ KARTEL on August the 13th. This is what VYBZ KARTEL posts to his Instagram. That is if it's VYBZ KARTEL. We're not debate that man have time feed. Most artists now are doing dub for the JLP or the PNP, as we have a date for politics, which is September the 3rd. And as you can see clearly, that is what VYBZ KARTEL put on his Instagram. He's not here for it. That is the VYBZ KARTEL put it. But I don't know why I'm going to say that, but I guess it's an in thing to say. So here, this is what Chris Diamond has to say.
Yo, watch where I go on. You serious piece of reasoning right now. You don't know. Chris Diamond. We just want to hold a serious piece of reasoning right now. Real quick. I'm confused about something. I'm confused. But, alright. So election time now at Jamaica. Yeah? And the same music them. The same music where the government, the politician them fight down. Remember, you can't play the music certain time. Past certain time. Them limit the dance them, the party them, the events. Like right now, you not have even a stage show in a Jamaica. Back in the days, you have Champion in Action. You'd have a fully loaded. You'd have a Saddle to the East Bounty Killer show. You'd have couple show well in a Jamaica that you can go and see artists perform. The same reggae artists that we want to see get established and see the music exceed higher heights, and see people can flock to Jamaica as tourists to come experience this show first and in our country, which it bring in revenue for the country. You can't go around it. And the man them fight out the whole of that. As a selector, first thing, me glad the video doesn't start and me can say this. Me, a selector where police are put handcuffs on and ready for playing music in a Jamaica. Because them say, oh yeah, play over the time or nice abatement or yeah, this or yeah, that. Me son of Jamaica police take up your console, gone with it. And we can't blame the police them, you know. Because you see at the end of the day, man, them do them work. You have maybe 10 police, me have 10% of police at Jamaica who are some real sodomite where them have a problem with just everything. Them girl them yeah like something. I go on with them and them just come around and take it out on people. The rest of police them are naturally most naturally them want to mind their nice station and go and watch 2 Netflix movie and all the vibes and come around and interact with some people. Because you have some genuine real police at Jamaica where come a party, come a dance and there you all have vibes, make sure everything good. Them presence there, them relax, them feel at one with the public and the people of the country. Me I tell you that. And every police you come around if you come create destruction and havoc in a people's life. Me I tell you that. But at the end of the day, the police work for a system, and the system govern the land, and the system give rules, and these are laws that has to be followed and be upheld by these police officers too. So the police come around more time and I do them thing. No, why me not too cause police and Ray? Cause at the end of the day, and I like them get up and say, yo, Ray, no music of a play. You have some police who will come and literally you can sit on them and say, yo, them want to give a blind, them want to Ray, but what is to be done? Them have a higher, somebody else in a higher authority and look down and say, yo, what go on? Ray, lock off that, boom, bam. You see me, police keep dance. Me play for police, I keep dance. Me know police are selector. So that for sure you say, them are human being like we, but at the end of the day, the people who govern the land, give out the rules, and them man there for us for like, most of the time. Most of the time. And we as Jamaican know, enough time we get blind. Because when a man come and realize that nothing really are going on a disturbance, a man stay a little bit and say, yo, I give you 30 minutes. Right? Let's just help, because you can't see the man, them a human being. So this is not about police. This is about the government them now, who come up with some crazy thing. Look how long them say around a back road down there, so them are going to extend it in an entertainment zone so people can go there. Back road, yo, back road, the right eye ocean. Nobody. Around this are not disturbed. Nobody. Certain place in a New Kingston not disturbed. Nobody. And the man them will not free up around this so it become entertainment venues and places where people can go enjoy themselves. You see me? Man, them put a hold on the music and just crab it down, just oppress the music, the people them who will use the music as them livelihood. Not even just to make money, but yo, you know more time. You see some youth, you know how much time you can see some youth. And more time the man them come and dance and a whole lot of reason with you, some youth. And with that, you can see the man them have a stressful day, them now. No money, the man them say, yo, buy me a Magnum, buy me a Guinness. And them just want to enjoy themselves. Just because of the music. Them youth, they know when you lock up dance, you know what them gonna do for them garrison? Them have to bleach and lock ends and all kind of something. And when you fight down them something there. But election time when you come now, I try to reach out to them same people who want to vote for them, for Uno. And the music you use. Because you know how the music will get to the people them. So that means you know the powers of the music and know what it is. You see what I say? And you have some artists that get up and give you all dub plate. Me have a big problem with that. Me honestly feel a way about that. Because, not because, this is not, me don't want to get this as said, this is a video for burn out the politician and burn out the politics. Me not business about politics. But me just say, sense. Artists, if them approach you know, obviously them need Uno now. So we need Uno to stand firm right so and represent the music. When we say represent the music, that's all. Alright, bargain no. Say yo, alright, we don't need we to come represent Uno for reach the same people them who not try to keep we from by ways of music. Here what? Want to the entertainment zone on the sound that free up on this for we. Want to the dance and if you go on there so do something for we now. Make we exchange something right now. So this is not a way if you say me a burn out no art, no promote, no politician and no way. But just I say dog. You know wise up now we as the people in the music industry. Wise up now brother. How we are gonna get up and end up. Make them know when them need music, them come use music. When election done, no dance still can't keep. No stage show, nah keep. But only no business, cause I just selector them now who are dead for hungry. Selector now get no views for no streaming platform. Selector now have no Vivo. Selector now have no much overseas show can do. Selector can have charge the capacity of money where uno a charge. Just level no brother and just be considerate and do something for the music. You see what I say? Bargain no. Just get up on your politician and play a bag of same tune them where them lock way up for play a road. Only gonna give them dub plate. For finance them political thing. I will not try to negotiate nothing for say yo boom, one to them youth yo me know about 1,000 selector dead for hungry you know. Here one to the entertainment zone to forgive it. Free up that and put that in on the election package. Sign something now, make we know say that go on when voting done. We don't just free up music and them the same music with them fight and oppress. Them we don't allow them to come use it now to feed them advantage and then them piss out and shit on it when it done. Dog, them think yo, that no make no sense. And like me tell you, this and me now, but this, me not hear that, me not done, so I don't know when the secret time I talk. Me not talk unless it's necessary. But this, that me tell you, me I use the police put a handcuff on for playing music. Go in a car, go. Me go through them, they sitting there. So all the same music where them oppressed down, me come say, I remember, this is not about police, it's just the land. They got the law that govern the land. So if politicians make the law, see, police have uphold it. But me I show you, we got through them thing there. So now, how me come now if you see artists freely brother, yo. That don't make no sense. This don't make no sense. Music, alright, you see them come out to that thing now, them go stop. No music can play from Monday. No more dance can keep at Jamaica from Monday to Thursday. So party can only keep at Jamaica from Thursday now to Sunday. Virgin, you know much, ready, passa, Uptown Mondays. This a Thursday, go for your head Wednesday. That there's something there. The next one is I'll keep a Fletcher's Land, Dirty Friday. You know how much you that help sell go foreign to better life? So you tell that they are Jamaica right now, and I have more wanted man, you know. Yeah, you know how much you them there's something about just dancing and dressing and whatever, and them look of vibes, and girls see them on video and fly come to Jamaica and party with them and like them, yo, come live in Russia, come live in Germany, me know you to live all of Switzerland, Germany, Russia. Because of these type of events, as simple as you might see it. Me know you can feed them family. Me know you can build one room now, and 2 room, and put one good rooftop now in the girls if you mad upon her house because of this. Me there Florida play a dance and you would come to me and say, yo, you remember me? And me I said, no. And I say, yo, you see, that's why you have to do good for people in life. Dance that them under there, you know, and forward and on the money, you know, seeing and park on my car and everything. And go so boom. And give him off, him beg me have money, me give him a little thing. Seeing? And I dance that the youth they stay and save him little money until him man finance himself and reach a foreign now and I work to change him life from just parking cars in a one dance, weekly dancehall party. You know how much life them thing a change? You know how much youth get a green card and bus and go a road and them thing, go live life, go start something else. You know how much youth get. Yo, I wanna tell me say man, You know, must shoot all some far place over the behind God background and some way around and some place. I do dancing class and I live the look and I sick in it and them youth there. Which I look at dance, look at them, look at them, look at dance thing and them rare. I don't know far them the youth that they run way behind God background and one place around there so we're way behind one place. I teach dancing and I make a livelihood, I make life. But no stop, no pray the thing no man and let me answer this again. This is not for bash. Me not bash no politician, me not bash no artist. Me just say artist, music, community. Dog. When forward us together as one no man, unity in our community no me G. If you get up and realize that them need why give in to them freely. Make a bargain for something for the youth them dog. The artist selector them. Most of the artists no come a road, no go a road, no police and 9 entanglement. 9 on a rare, no 2 party. And I party and make some little youth, I eat some little food, dog. So, you get up and have a chance now. This is the chance you did get. For say, yo, alright, election, you need we for reach. Our people wanna oppress all along and keep the music from and keep the livelihood from them. Give us something for something. Give us something for something. Dog, you want to keep on party at Jamaica right now, and you know, so I better you allow it. You have to go through FFF, JFF, CFF, CNN. You have to go through TV, JC. You have to go through the whole alphabet. You have to go through. You have to apply for DESO, apply for Music Federation, apply for DESO, apply for that, you have to apply for that. You have to pay for this. Brother, do something for your thing, brother. The thing, yo. Me I beg the artist, them, brother. Let me say, my name now come and say, come man not done. But just I said, because this hurt me, you know, Virgin. This hurt me, you know. You see, all the when them a fight out, no party can keep. And I see the man, him lick me, and I say, here, what you do? Do not get up every day like, you know, make them man take on a fool. But, we're going to have a meeting with the politician, and we're going to work out a way and pray, and that way on have meeting. No. Them just going to invite you in, and going to come and sit down and go so boom and say, alright. Yeah, man, we have talks, and we have take picture, and somehow we do it for the wrong thing. We do it for because we want it to have this look out to the people, to the public, that, oh yeah, we make this happen, and we make this change. There's no change. There are politicians. The way, yo, politics is like this. You have to smart, you have to know how to use your brain to get what you want. You have to know how to give promises, you have to know how to fulfill empty promise. You have to know how to go out there basically and manipulate. You have to get what you want. You have very few politicians who are genuine. See? And you deal with government. You have to, something have to write down, something have to dip on paper, something have to deal with, not just go have a meeting. Have meeting how much months ago and what has become of that meeting? Meeting dead and gone. Nothing in a year about nothing. All me I say is this. The meeting thing now work. Take a stance. Me now come and tell no foolishness about, without dancehall, we are never gonna sell no liquor, or red stripe never gonna move no liquor. Me now come and with that. Take a stance, brother. Take a stance. Unity. You see what me I say? Cause when you check it out, the selector them are dead for hungry, and I make them tell you nothing, you know. 1 and 2 of them might have a one artist. Yo, if you have 5 grand, so you have 20 grand, rare. But, brother, unity, brother. Election and politician, the same politician that move, the government, people that move, fight the music and push it in one corner. You have so much artists in Jamaica who know you don't have no way for them to express themselves. You have no way for no you bust off on a stage show. Jamaica is the place of people that take how much playing and all these things to reach at Jamaica for come one stage show. The only thing I go on our Jamaica stage show wise, what we can say is reggae sumfest. And that's what Joe Bogdanovich them thing. Alright, and every youth are gonna make it on that. One to the rest, I show them originally in the street, a youth could have go and pray and hear a man. So, yo, the youth the last night, you see him go some boom and get a break or something, a man get a chance. Yo, book the youth if you come a foreign, yo, one to them thing, yeah. Yo, I'm not even make this too long, but I just say, Bridget, you know, me not feel good about it. Artists, me not telling you can't do nothing, because I phone thing, I'm not business about a boy or a girl, I'm not business, you see me I say? But me I say, if you not say you not deal with music, at least, bargain no, for something, you know. The music or we take a select and go road and getting a problem for and rare. And the man them fight it down when we look a little bread by playing the music for the artists them. The artists them turn around and supply the same people them who fight the thing with the same music for go reach the same people who them oppress and try to keep them. For get them vote, for stay in control of the country. Brother, bargain for something. Please, me nah go no further with it. Just something for something. Them entertainment venue where them promise we, them 2 o'clock lock off thing, them foolishness, enough foolishness are going. Bargain for that. Make them give us something for with music. Since enough come on road, just bargain, brother. Please. Jano.